So we've made a transfer and embroidery backstitch. The next step would be making those textures. We'll start with the houses. You're going to need one strand. We'll start with the stitch that I call grid stitch. It looks great and feels awesome. For this we'll just need to make straight stitches. At first we'll make the vertical and then horizontal. Now when you come up and already made a backstitch, don't come up near, because you'll see like the hole right from the place where backstitch is. And the same here, not like this, so it's too far from the backstitch. Go under the thread. To save some thread, you can go back from the top. That's a tricky moment. Make sure the line is going to be straight. That's not a straight line, so you can just take your needle out and with the back side take the thread out, then we thread needle again, and go in the right spot. To find out where you need to go, you can like lay thread at first and then poke, or just follow the grid of the fabric. And the same with this part of the building. When we filled the whole area with vertical stitch, we need to make horizontal stitches. And they work just the same. Make sure you have the right angle. When you have like such long strands, it's better to secure them a little, so we come up right under the intersection of those threads and going back into the same hole that we just came up. sometimes it's hard to thread it. Trim a little piece of thread that's fluffy and go ahead, try again. Okay, we've finished with this building. Let's move to this one. Here we're going to make diagonal stitches. It will be great if the angle is the same as your roof head. To change angle of the first stitches, you can make couching stitch. So come up somewhere where you want this thread to be and come down in the same hole. So the thread will be in the loop. Like this. And the same with this thread. This time we'll need 2 strands. This texture is going to be super simple. We will just make random straight stitches. In the end they will look like bricks. Make sure all of them are horizontal. Make sure they have almost the same length. These are 3 textures that we'll use for the houses. Diagonal stitches for this building. Your task is to embroider all these houses with 3 textures: grid, diagonal straight stitch, and short horizontal stitch.